Hi kids, today I'm going to be talking about Latin American native culture groups. So this should be not a lot, hopefully. So, Middle America, we can talk about the Aztec, the Mayan, and the Olmec. These are all Native American groups that live in Middle America, so think about Mexico. I'm just going to review on the Maya since we already talked about them. So they were in southeastern Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala. The climate there is warm and rainy, think tropical rainforests. They were famous for their architecture, their math, and their astronomy, mostly their calendars. Food, they had maize, which is corn, cotton, sunflower seeds, beans, squashes, tomatoes, and vanilla. Landforms, once again I said rainforest, so warm, lots of rain, lots of plants. They had rivers which served as passageways between cities, so they would travel between cities usually using the rivers. So once again, these are some pictures. We talked about sort of the temples and what they looked like when we talked about the Maya. Just quick review. So they had palaces, huts, temples, and observatories, and pyramids. So that's just a quick review on that. The Caribbean, there are two main groups in the Caribbean. They're the Taino and the Igneeri. I chose to talk about the Taino. The Taino live in Cuba, Haiti, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, the small Caribbean islands. They're famous for the setup of ballparks, so like baseball parks. They kind of have that design. They kind of originated that. Their language, landform-wise, they're on the coastal plains, which means it's flat, but they're also by the ocean. They have villages, fishing, and mountains. The climate, it's hot, and there's only a little bit of rain, small amounts of rain. They eat fish, fruit, vegetables, yucca, which is a type of plant, and corn. Oh, also this is a picture of kind of what their buildings look like. And then once again, the buildings that they're called bohíos, they're made from poles, straw, and palm leaves on top. So they're kind of hut-esque. Moving on to the Andes, we can talk about the Cuna, Payés, or Awa. I'm going to talk about the Cuna. The Cuna live in Panama and Colombia. The climate there is hot and humid. They have a hot and humid season, so think like summer, and then a dry season. So rainy season and dry season. They create molas, which are texture fabric. If you look at this woman down here, she's wearing a mola. So it's very textured and colorful, bright patterns. For food, they do fishing, plantains, which are similar to bananas, coconuts, and lobsters. Housing, what's interesting about their houses is if you look at this picture, they're actually built on stilts. So that's a unique feature, is that these houses are built on stilts. Landforms, they are on islands. So they're isolated and they focus on agriculture, which means they focus on farming. And there's a video, I included those on the class stream. Oops. So in the tropical rainforest, there's the Pygmies, the Huli, and the Yanomami. I'm going to talk about the Huli. So the Huli live in Papua New Guinea. They eat food, yams, manioc, and pigs. Their housing is round grass huts. So if you look at this, it's kind of wood mixed with mud and some palm leaves. That's kind of the style of their housing. The climate is very hot and humid. These people are living basically in the rainforest. So it's going to be hot, humid, and rainy. So the landforms, they're obviously in the rainforest, but they also have swamps and mountains. And I encourage you to watch this video because they have a really unique style of dancing and face paint. It's really, really cool, really, really interesting. I recommend you look into it. It's definitely really unique. Okay, so that's all I had on those. It was just a short one. Make sure you answer the questions that go along with it. Watch the YouTube videos if you can. I will see you. Oh, I'm having open office hours on Zoom Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 to 10:45. So it's going to be a 45-minute window on 2 days. If you need anything, you want to talk to me, anything like that, feel free to pop by. The information is in the class stream. All right. Bye, kids. Have a good day.